Hi, yes, is this the Lambo dealership? I would like to return my vehicle, please, guys. Just kidding, guys. Hello, investors. My name is Dehan. Welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy in the month of June. As the crypto space has been, on a pullback in the past few weeks, we're looking for some buying opportunities, as well as some huge news that came out with Dogecoin this week and why Dogecoin is actually up a lot today compared to the market. So the market is down about 2.19%. If we take a look at Bitcoin, down about 2.5%, Ethereum's down about 2.5%. Then we have, Cardano up 3%, Binance up 1%, and then the big one right here, Doge is up about 8%, guys, currently trading at 36 cents. Just when you think that Doge is done, it says, nah, I got one more life, guys, one more life, I'm coming back. And Doge comes back on up and continues its run on higher. So actually what we're going to be doing is covering these 3 altcoins and then going into the Dogecoin news that we saw. So stick around until the end of the video for that, guys. Now let's get into it. The first one on our list is going to be Cardano, the first altcoin, Cardano, ADA. So this one is trading at $1.76. Currently it is up about 3.3%, and the market cap for this coin is 56.2 billion, with the volume in the past 24 hours at around 4 billion, and then the circulating supply is at around 31.9 billion coins. Now obviously Cardano, if you guys don't know, it is a blockchain platform built on a proof of stake consensus protocol that validates transactions without high energy costs. Now development on Cardano uses a Haskell program language, which is described as the enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled security and stability. The blockchain's native token, ADA, is named after the 19th century mathematician. Now, let's take a look at this one, guys. On the past few weeks, in the past week, it's up about 13%. Really nice, with the low down here at around $1.35 or so. Then we have the 1 month chart. It's actually up about 30%, even though it did hit highs here of 250 and then lows down here of under $1 at one point. We still have made decent gains. If you bought under $1, you'd be up about 70% or so, in about a week or a few weeks. So if we take a look at the 1 year chart, the coin is up over 2100%, as the token was trading at around 0.0867 pretty much a year ago. And then on the all-time chart, obviously the coin is up about 10,000%, guys. So, pretty decent gains have been made on Cardano, and we think that Cardano is going to have a hot summer and continue to go even higher for the rest of 2021. So Cardano is definitely an interesting coin in my opinion, and I think it could go higher throughout the rest of June, July, and obviously going throughout the rest of 2021. Like we said, we think that Cardano could be a potentially a 500 billion market cap coin in the next 5 to 10 years, which would give it about a 10x opportunity. So I would not be surprised to see Cardano trading at around $10 to $15 per coin in the next few years, as long as it continues to do everything that is saying that is going to do for the future. So Cardano, definitely one that I would add to my radar and add to your list to see how it performs in the future as well. The next altcoin on our list is going to be Theta. So Theta right here, Theta gang, guys, right here, it's up about 6.74%. Currently trading at $7.82, and the market cap on this coin is around 7.8 billion. And if we take a look at the volume in the past 24 hours, over half a billion coins have been traded. And then obviously the circulating supply at around 1 billion right now. Now Theta, if we take a look here at the price action, in the past week it's up about 13.5%. In the past month it is down about 31%, as it did head highs here about $13 at one point, and then lows down here of about $4 or so. And if you did buy on that dip area where it was below $4, you would be up over almost 100% right now, which was a great dip buying opportunity we saw. And the funny thing is right now, all of these cryptos pulled back, right? But they're still, trading higher than they were after that crash. So they're trading higher than that crash level. It hit lows to $4. It has not reached those levels after, so it has been staying higher and higher. This was a way oversold, crypto crash that we saw in the market with a huge flash crash, and now obviously we're consolidating right here and waiting for another breakout. So we've been consolidating here for about 10 days or so around this area. We're looking for more consolidation than a breakthrough on higher. Now, if it does pull back lower, depending on how the rest of the cryptocurrencies, control everything, is going to be a game changer. So in the past year, this coin is almost up 3,000%. So $1,000 investment would be worth around $30,000 right now, as the token was trading at around 0.2839. Very, very cheap compared to where it was up here at over $16 at one point in April. And then obviously ever since April, it has not been able to recover those, prices right there. But definitely an interesting coin on our list that we've been adding to the radar. So Cardano and Theta are our 2 coins, and now we're going to get into the third coin. The third coin is going to be Polkadot, DOT. So we've talked about this one on the channel before as well. This one is up about 6% on the day. currently trading at $23.64. The market cap on this coin is 22.4 billion, with the volume in the past 24 hours at 2.3 billion. Now, in the circulating supply, over 944.1 million coins. Now, this one obviously down here, you guys can see that the price action the past week up about 6.84%, so pretty much same as the 24-hour chart. Now, in the past month, it is down about 36%, as it did hit highs here of about $50 or so, and then pull back down all the way down here to lows of about $13 or $14. And once again, we saw those lows of $13 or $14 and did not come back to those lows. We stayed above those lows here. Even the lowest we saw was about $19 or so at one point. So it's still up, a lot since that low. And if you bought on that low, pretty much any of these coins are trading higher than what they were on that date. And to be, exact date, that date was around May 23rd. So the May 23rd prices was the low, pretty much support level that we're seeing right now for most of these altcoins and coins in general. So as long as it doesn't go below that price area, we're okay. But obviously, we're looking for more consolidation and an uptrend higher for the future. Now, if we take a look at Polkadot's 1-year chart, it is still up over 778%. It was trading at around $2.69 a year ago. Now we saw highs up here of over $50, like we said, with a pullback. We are trading pretty much at February prices, a little bit higher than that, maybe end of February / March prices. So we did, delete pretty much a lot of our history right there that we made in the past few months. But this coin actually did not make as big of a run as we saw with some of these other coins. It was trading here at 30 to 40, and it stayed around that level pretty much for the past 2 or 3 months. Now, obviously, this huge sell-off did bring it back to lows down here, but it could easily recover back up to the high 30s up here and be trading where it was pretty much a month or two ago, and nothing would be shocking in my opinion. It would be still up over 778% the past year, which is massive gains, guys. You would not see returns like this in the stock market, obviously, as the stock market does not move this quickly ever, pretty much. You might see a 7 to 10% gain on average every single year. So to get over 700% in a year, that is just massive compared to the stock market, 100x pretty much what the stock market would do. And that's why cryptocurrency investors make a lot of money, because it's very volatile, but obviously it can be very dangerous as well, because the volatility is super high. You could always make money, but you could also lose money just as quick as you made it, because you guys can see these crypto flash crashes. They're nothing to play with. They go down very, very quickly in a matter of hours. You could lose half of your portfolio or more, depending on what coins you're holding in your portfolio. Now, obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, so none of this is financial advice. This is all for educational purposes. And before you speak to your financial advisor, before investing into any type of cryptocurrency or stocks as well. Now, guys, if you made it this far into the video, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 250 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. As always, if you want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks, links are going to be in the description for that as well. Leave a comment below. What crypto are you going to be buying in the month of June, or if you're buying any crypto at all? Now, let's get into Doge. Let's see what is going on with Doge. What is the big reason why Doge is so green compared to the rest of the market? Bitcoin's down 2.5%. Doge is like, all right, I'm going to go up 8% today. So this one is market cap 47.2 billion, currently up about 10%, currently trading at 36 cents. We had lows down here of about 31 cents or so. Now in the past week, it's up about 5%. In the past month, down about 7%. And then obviously on the 1-year chart, over 14,000% higher, as it was trading at 0.0026 at one point in June 6, 2020. Now, we did hit those highs of over 73 cents or so when the whole Elon Musk hype happened, the SNL show that happened and all that, and then we pulled back down. Now, a lot of people have been bag holding, and, they might have bought at 40 or 50 cents or so, but we're still, consolidating here around this 30 cents area. So like we talked about in previous videos, Dogecoin is staying around this 30 cents area in the consolidation form pattern. Now, we needed to break through. If we can break through this 40 cents area or higher, that would be a great sign for Doge to make more momentum and continue on higher with more volume, obviously. But if it continues to go lower under 30 cents, we might be in the danger zone. But right now, it's looking like it's looking good. So Doge is obviously the big meme going around. Now, let's take a look. Why is Doge up so much? So Coinbase Pro opens up to Dogecoin after cryptocurrencies 6,000% gain this year. So starting Tuesday, Coinbase Pro will accept inbound transfers of Dogecoin. Trading will begin on or after 9 a.m. PT Thursday, June 3rd, if liquidity conditions are met. So on Thursday, we have one more day to go until this happens. So Coinbase is finally getting into the Doge. Starting Tuesday, the crypto exchange is offering its pro users the option to trade Doge. Cryptocurrency that was started as a joke and has taken off this year, helped by the frequent tweeting of Tesla CEO Elon Musk. Who let the Doge out, guys? Who let it out? Oof, oof. Dogecoin is currently trading at around 32 cents. Now it's actually up over 36 cents, up almost 6,000% for the year. And then obviously did drop a little bit since the highs in May. Now, Coinbase is one of the largest crypto exchanges on the planet, and its pro service, as the name suggests, is designed for professional traders. Dogecoin is also available for purchase on Robinhood's apps and through Gemini as well. So Coinbase said in a blog post that it will immediately begin accepting inbound transfers to Coinbase Pro if there is enough liquidity. Trading of Dogecoin will begin on or after 9 a.m. Pacific time on Thursday in supported locations. However, trading will be staggered. Now, the company, says it plans to launch in 3 phases: post only, limit only, and full trading. If at any point one of the new order books does not meet our assessment for a healthy and orderly market, we may keep the book in one state for a longer period of time or suspended trading, the company wrote, citing its trading rules. So Dogecoin is not yet available on Coinbase's primary website or on its consumer mobile apps. The company said there will be a separate announcement if and when this support is added. For now, that means that the retail investors will have to look elsewhere. Now, Coinbase, which went public in April, makes most of its money from the trading and storage of Bitcoin and Ethereum, the largest cryptocurrencies. Now, the CEO, Brian Armstrong, has been a public advocate of the meme-inspired Dogecoin. On company's May 13th earnings call, Armstrong said that the asset addition is something near and dear to his heart. He referenced Dogecoin as one of the cryptocurrencies that's getting a lot of attention and shared the company's plan to list the token in 6 to 8 weeks. And that's exactly what is happening right now, guys. So huge news for Coinbase, obviously. Huge news for Dogecoin. This is going to be causing, Dogecoin to have a potential pump up, once again, as more investors are able to get into Doge. And that's a positive sign in my opinion, because more investors are going to be able to get into Doge and trade it, obviously buy it, sell it, whatever they want to do, hold it for a long term, which is positive, obviously, as a lot of people are just trading it on Robinhood, but a lot of people do not like to trade on Robinhood, and this is going to give them another choice, which is definitely something that I'm interested in seeing and, interested in promoting as well to other people, because it gives us diversification, and maybe more money will be, flowing into the Dogecoin and obviously the crypto space as we have more different, opportunities and different ways to trade this cryptocurrency. So what do you guys think about this? Leave a comment below letting me know, what do you think about Dogecoin being traded on Coinbase? Do you like it or do you not like it at all? Now that we went over that news, let's take a look at Ethereum. What is Ethereum doing? It's pretty much trading flat in the past 24 hours. Currently trading at $2,600 right now. Market cap is at around 303.7 billion, with the volume in the past 24 hours at around 26.5 billion. Now, the circulated supply of Ethereum is going to be 116.1 million, like we know. And then obviously on the 1 week chart, down about 3.5%. 1 month chart down about 11% from those highs of 4,400 all the way down to lows of 1,700 at one point. So if you bought on that dip, once again, that dip that we saw right there for that flash crash, most of these coins have not went lower than that dip, so they've all recovered from that crazy dip right there and have not went back lower, which is definitely a positive sign. Now, obviously, on the 1 year chart, if we take a look right here, this coin is up over 1,000%. So $1,000 investment will be worth over $10,000 right now in Ethereum. So anybody that got in early last year, they have nothing to worry about. They're still rolling in the dough. They're still swimming in that money. $244 average from last year in June, hit highs up here like we said. The coin was way overbought up here, and it had to cool off a little bit, which is what's happening right now. And we're seeing this consolidation area around this 2,000 to 3,000 area, and then hopefully another breakthrough to new all-time highs that can push it higher, and hopefully throughout the rest of 2021 and for the years to come as well. So definitely Ethereum, like we always say, is our favorite coin on the channel. We like it way more than Bitcoin, even though Bitcoin has been performing decent as well. Bitcoin in the past 24 hours down about 1%, still trading at around that 36,500 area. Like we said, we needed to break through 40,000, and then obviously 42,000 is that big resistance area that we're looking at. Market cap right under 700 billion right now. Volume in the past 24 hours, 33.2 billion, with the circulating supply is 18.7 million Bitcoins. Now, in the past week, this one is down about 5%. In the past month, 36%. And then obviously on the 1 year chart, still up 283%. But if you compare that to Ethereum, Ethereum is, outpacing, Bitcoin right now by about 3 or 4 times the value or 3 or 4 times the percentage, I guess you could say, gained in the past 365 days. So Ethereum is ahead of Bitcoin right now in that race, but Bitcoin could come back up and continue to go higher and higher like it has in the past years, and could cause these other altcoins to go higher. Now some people are saying altcoin season is over. Is the altcoin really over? Well, I guess we're going to have to find out. I mean, we need a clear sign if we're going to continue to go into this bear market, or if the bull run is going to continue to go throughout the summer and into the rest of 2021. So you guys let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Are we in a bear market right now? Is altcoin season over? What is going to happen with Dogecoin? Is it going to hit $1? What is going on in this whole crypto space? Things are going crazy. Let me know in the comments below. Smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 200 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time we make a new video. As always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $1,800. Links are going to be in the description for that. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.